Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss one most important example. Already I have started that concept in last video guys, that is recursion. So what is recursion? What is recursive method? All the things I have explained very well in last program, right? So that is a continuation video of last program. So in this video I am going to explain one more example related to the what recursion only. So guys, that example is how to find the factorial with using recursion, because you can find this factorial with the help of loop as well. But if the interviewer or as your knowledge sake, if you want to develop, if you want to implement this code with the help of recursion, then how we are going to develop this code. So that's my main motto for explain end to end with code base how to write the code of factorial. How we are going to find the factorial of any given number with the help of recursion. That complete thing I am going to explain in this video. So guys, please concentrate on entire video. Don't skip. If you concentrate entire video, then you will master of the recursion guide. So you know very well, right? Suppose sometimes the interviewer may ask the question, how are you going to write the code for finding the natural number with the help of recursion. Sometimes they may ask, how are you going to write the code sum of n natural number with the help of recursion. Same way also they may ask, hey, how are you going to write the code of factorial for any given number with the help of recursion without using for loop or any loop concept. So guys, in this video completely I have explained with the code base how we are going to find factorial of any given number with the help of recursion. So that's our guy main what motto for explaining this concept in this video guide. So guys, first let's start our ID. We know very well, right? So if we are going to explain anything with the code base, definitely we should have one ID. So already I started guys ID, right? Already I've opened ID. So guys, see, I will create first one class, okay, which will what explain our factorial concept, right? So guys, see, any package I will take, okay. So already we have so many packages, so we'll go through our this package. We already have explained last example of recursion in this package only. So I have opened that package. So in this package guy, I will create one class, right? In this class, I am going to implement factorial concept. Okay. So guys, see, if I will take here find factorial. Right? So I create one class name, that is find factorial. Click main method, come here. Okay, that we have very basic things. Definitely this thing we should know before writing any code. After creating the class guy, we got one by default one method, right? Main method. Okay. So unwanted thing I am going to remove. Already I have removed. Okay. So let's see. If you want to find the factorial of any given number, right? So first guy, we should have what one input, right? Simple thing here. Generally, if you're going to find the factorial of any number, first we should have number, right? So for that purpose, I am going to create one what variable that will get suppose n, or you can write a number, right? So int number. Suppose this number we can get from the end user, right? What is the number? So we can find the factorial for that. So I've taken one number here, int number. Right. Okay. So let's see. After that, we can tell to the integer, we can tell to the end user, hey, we need to write some statement, right? Right. So with that statement, they'll come to know easily. So what the things we need to do. So that purpose, I'm going to write here what enter any number. enter any number. Right? So that with this we'll come to know, so for which number we are going to find the what factorial. So return enter any number. Okay. So let's see, if we have written this statement into any number, so guys we need to take the input from the end user. So if you want to take the input from the end user, definitely guys we will have one scanner class, right? From that we can take the input. So guys a scanner, we know very well, no need to explain this thing, right? A scanner, we are going to create the object of the scanner class here. Nothing I am doing here. Show new what scanner class is there. Already I have created one scanner class. So with this reference we can take the input, right? So guys what I can do here, so sc dot we have one method guys in this class, that is a next int method, right? We have one method next int, okay? Yes. Because we are taking integer value, integer input, that's why we are taking int. So let's see, after taking this input from the integer, where we are going to store this thing. So that already I have taken one number, right? So I can take that, I can store this value into number, right? I have taken this value in our number variable, right? Yes. So let's see, after doing this thing guys, so you got one input from the end user, okay? Whatever the user it want to find the factorial of given number, right? Okay. So let's see, so as per our recursion concept, guys, we need to create one recursive method. Yes. Already I have mentioned guys in last video. So how we are going to create a recursive method. So guys for that purpose we will take one what recursive method, right? So let's see, the method name is here, suppose get factorial, right? Get factorial. Okay, so your method name should be looks like the name, so anyone can understand. So what you're going to do, what you're going to perform in this method. So I'm writing here get factorial guys. So means we want to find the factorial of any given number. That's why my method name is get factorial. Okay. After that, I have told you that day. So after creating this recursive method, we need to pass respective parameter, right? So as of now, guys, I want to find the I want to find the factorial of any given number, right? So guys, that's why I should have what one parameter here. Suppose int n. So int n is respective parameter, right? Okay. Let's see, already I mentioned you, suppose if you are going to find the factorial of any given number, definitely this get factorial method need to return something, right? Yes or no? So I'm taking int of the input, definitely this method should return int only. Yes or no? See here, I have taken get factorial and then passing the what n value, okay? Whatever we can get the from the end user. Got it? Yes. So let's see, after that guys, what I am going to do here. So I am going to write some condition guys. I am going to write some logic inside this get factorial method, and I am going, as you can see, this is showing error because we didn't return anything. So once I will add the logic, then we will return the thing. So let's see, I am giving one condition. The person who already know this thing, right? So they'll come to know it easily. See, first I need to write some condition, some logic. So how factorial will work? So let's see, if I'm writing condition if n equal to 1. Let's see, If our input value will become equal to 1, then no need to find the factorial. Right? This will logic will work. Once I will run the application, I will show you. Don't worry here. So what I will get, if n equal to 1. So whatever the number we can get from the end user. So we'll check if number is equal to 1. So guys, if directly return 1. Okay, great. Return 1. Yes or no? Guess second thing. If number is not 1, if the end user is not passing number equal to 1, then guys, what we can do? Guys, for the purpose, we are going to call recursive method. Guys, else. You're coming here? Else guys. So else what we are going to do? Because if the end user not passing the 1 to find the factorial, if they are going to pass what? If they pass what? Exclude the 1 means excluding of 1 means they passed maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, that time how it will work? That logic will get again factorial will work. Again factorial will call. So guys, fact already we have mentioned here our method. Right? So this method will be recall. Okay, this method will get guys concerned. This is the main concept. What I am going to write for factorial. This is the main concept. Very important. So I am going to call. See, if n is not equal to 1, if the integer what number have passed in the parameter it is not equal to 1, then directly it will comes in our else part, right? And call again this get factorial method. See, after calling this get factorial method, we know this is expression parameter. Right? So in that time I am going to pass what? I am going to write n minus 1. Whatever number they are going to pass. So it will minus 1. Okay, it will minus 1, and guys, it will multiply with the number they are going to pass. Multiply with the number they are going to pass. Okay, that is n, right? Because he is going to pass n. N means anything 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever number they are going to find the factorial, that number going to multiply with this. Good guys. Then guys, this value we can return. Okay. This value we can return. Got it? See guys. Now you are not able to see any error, right? Because we have written the code what? As expected. We have written the code as expected. Okay. One more time I will explain here. Don't confuse what I have done here. See guys. Once we got the input from the end user, we are going to call this method get factorial. Okay. So get factorial method is expect some input. That input we can receive from the end user. So that input, if it becomes equal to 1, if input what equal to 1, then we are directly return this one to the caller where we can call. We'll show from this get factorial method where we are going to call. Okay, suppose if the number is not equal to 1, then guys this method will be called. So this is method expect get factorial method, same thing here, but it will minus 1. Suppose it is going to pass 3, so 3 minus 1 2. So it will repeat it until unless we can't get this if condition. Yes or no? So guys, this entire thing I will show. So guys, see, this is guys recursive process. This is recursive process, right? But this technique is called guys recursion. Whatever we are going to repetition, right? That is called recursive method. An entire process is called recursion. Okay? So guys, don't worry. I will show everything in front of you with guys debug, and diagram as well. So it's very important concept. And if you learn this concept, then you will what perfect in the recursion. 100% guy, I am giving assurance. If you will concentrate entire video, then you will perfect what in the recursion concept. Any places you can use this concept here if you want to use recursion. So guys, see, this is our non-static method, right? This is our non-static method. So you know very well, if you want to call non-static method, then how we are going to call. So guys, for that purpose, first we need to create the object of the respective class. So guys, as of now, our class is what? Find factorial. Yes, no? This is our class. So guys, first we need to create the object of the find factorial class. So we know very well guys how we are going to create the object. Create this thing. I don't need to explain here guys. If you don't know how to create the object, already have what created one video. You can go there, you can check there. Let's see, I am creating object of the find factorial class. Let's see, find factorial ref equals to what? New. With the new keyword guy, I am going to create the object of this find factorial class. Yes or no? Yes. Guy, then find factorial and we need to write this class name. Right? Guys, see. So with this new keyword, so I have created one what? Object of the find factorial class. Then guys, with the reference we can call the non-static method what we have created, that is get factorial. Right guys? So guys, we can call here how? So ref dot what? Get find factorial. Yes or no? This guy already got this method. Find. After that, calling this ref dot get factorial method, so guys, where we can store this result. Suppose when we are going to return this value, so where we can store this thing guys. So for returning purpose guys, we can return that what? Integer type, yes. Because guys, this get factorial method will return int type. So int result. Yes or no guys? Int result. So guys, we can store this return value in our result variable. Yes or no? And guys, this result variable we can display in our sysout. Yes or no guys? So guys, we can write here sysout, and guys, what we can write in that? So factorial of given number. What guys? Factorial of given number. Right? Factorial of given number each. And then we need to print our result where we have already stored our result here. So already stored in our result variable, right? Right? So guys, we can see. So guys, that is our what? Coding of the finding factorial of any given number. This is a very simple example, but it's very what? Helpful for you. It's very conceptual. If you know this concept, if you know this implementation, then you are able to write this code in front of anyone. So that my main motto is whatever the concept I am going to explain in front of you, you need to understand clearly. Then only you will become the perfect developer. Yes or no? If you have any confusion, then you will not become a perfect coder. So guys, whatever the code you are going to write in front of anyone, so your code visibility is, it should be clear. Anyone can understood. So what you have written the code. Okay. So guys, see, this code has done. So now I will run the application. Then I will show how we are going to debug this thing as well. How it will get done. So first guys, I will run the application in front of you. So guys, see one thing I mistake here. So I didn't pass the guy what the number we are going to find the factorial, right? Suppose guys, if I am passing guy here 3, if I am passing here 3, so guys, do you know what should be the expected result guys? Because end here, if they are going to pass 3 is a what number, or we need to find the factorial. Great guys. So guys, see, you know very well what should be the result for that 3. So guys, the result should be 1 multiply 2 multiply that equal to guys 6. Yes or no? Guys, result should be 6. If you are able to see 6 as a result, then you will come to know my factorial code is as expected, 100% correct. If you are not able to see 6 is a result, then what you may understood this is not a perfect code for finding the factorial. Yes or no? So guys, in front of you, I will run the application. We will see result. It's coming expected or not. Yes guys. First, already I have written enter any number, right? Enter any number. Right? If you write here 3, then guys you can see factorial of given number is 6. Yes or no guys? What I have mentioned here. So once you have first call will start enter any number, right? Then it will take the input. The input I am going to pass here what? 3. Correct? Yes or no? Or guys directly if you pass here number as well. Okay, because we have already stored this input into our number variable, right? Show number. Right guys? Then once again I will run the application, you will see the result. Enter number. If writing number guy 4, right? The first 3 I can show 3. See guys, factorial of given number is 6. Why? Because the input already is stored in our number variable. That's why I am passing a number only. That number becomes into n here. Correct guys? So guys, that is the perfect example of finding factorial with the help of what? Recursion. But guys, in front of you, I will show what? The entire driving process. How it becomes 6. How it becomes 6. Okay, the complete thing I will explain. So guys, please be concentrated. Please be concentrated. Guys, see. First guy, if you got the number from the end user as a 3, right? Yes or no? So guys, this 3 will come our this get factorial method. So guys, tell me where get factorial method is calling guy. So guys, this place. Yes or no? Initially guys, this 3 will come here because in n equal to 3 guy. So guys, see in first state what it does. So it will come inside this our get factorial method guy. It will check n equal to 1. Guy, tell me n equal to 1. No guy. So guy, this place condition failed because 1 not equal to 3, right? Not 1 not equal to 3 guy. Yes or no? That guy condition failed. Condition failed. If condition fail guy, that means it will not return 1 guy. Yes or no? If condition fail, that means it is not return 1. So guy, then directly it will comes else part. Yes or no? Guy. Then you can see. So again guy, get factorial method is calling. Yes or no? If you can see in else part, then again this get factorial method is calling, right? Guy. But this in this case, what you can see, this get factorial method is calling, but with different parameter. Yes or no? So guy, earlier we have parameter is 3. So guy, in this case you can see the get factorial method will what? 2. Yes or no? Guy, yes or no? This time guy, this get factorial method will be 2. Yes or no? Because 3 minus 1, 2. So guy, it will internally it will execute same code one more time. Okay. In one more time guy. So don't see this error. I will explain you. So guy, now you can see now our this value will be guy 2. Yes or no? This value will be 2 guy. Right? So guy, you can see this is 1 not equal to 2. Yes or no? 1 not equal to condition fail. Then guy, this will come this place. Yes or no? So guy, this time our n is 2. Right? So it will again it will call because this condition fail guy. If this condition fail, because 1 not equal to 2, you know very well that condition fail, then directly our control will come into our else part. So it will get again it will call get factorial method. Okay? So guys, you can see now our n is 2. 2 minus 1 guy 1. So you can see this time our what n is 1. So again it will call internally this get factorial method. Yes or no? Guy, you can see this time our guy n equal to 1. N equal to 1 guy. Correct? So guy, you can see this time 1 equal to 1. Yes or no? Guy, this time 1 equal to 1, equal to what? N equal to 1, condition pass. Correct? Condition pass. Yes, if condition pass guy, so that time directly it return 1 here. Correct? Guy, again this condition pass, so guy directly it will return 1 here. Not it will go inside the else part. Yes or no? Guys, tell me. This time this 1 will directly return to this guy. So guys, this is the return type. Yes or no? Okay, we are going to call guy this place. So guy, 1 return to this place. Correct guy? Yes or no? Yes. So guys, see 1 it will return 1 guy, and guy you can see what is the n value of here. N value of here guy 2. Yes or no? This time we are going to pass the n value is 2. So guy, 2 multiply 1. You can see what should be result this time guy. This time 2. Yes or no? Right. So guys, see if value is 2 guy, then it will return to this place. Yes or no? It will return this math is calling from this place guy. Yes or no? So guy, this 2 will return to this method. Right. So earlier guy, this place value was 3. Yes or no? This time value was 3. So guy, 3 multiply 2. So guy, you can see what will be the result. 6. Yes or no guy? So guy, you can see this get factorial method is calling. Okay, once you return this 6, it's get factorial method guy calling to this method, right? Yes or no? Because you are going to pass 3 here, right? So that 3 into 6, 6. So guy, this after calling this get factorial method guy, you can see here this get factorial calling from this place. So guy, what you got the result? You got result guy 6. So guy, this 6 result will store into result variable, and then that result we are going to print to the end user. Yes or no guy? So guy, that is the internal process how recursion is going to use. Already guy, I have mentioned this thing. So so this guy, what this complete recursion or recursive method is working internally. What? A stack process. What guy? A stack process. Last in first order. So guy, what will be last? Then first order. Then last, first order. Last, first order. Right? So recursion method, recursive method, recursion process that completely based on the what? A stack process guy. Last in first order. What guy? Last in first order. So guy, as of now I am commenting this thing. We no need for understanding purpose. You should know this thing guy. Right? So how we are going to get the result? How we are going to get the result guy? Right? So guys, but I will explain now with the help of what? With the help of debug mode guy also. Debug mode also I will explain. This what a thing I will explain, that is dry run guy, but I will explain debug mode. If you want to know how to debug, please do comment. I will show what is the process for debugging any code guy. As of now, what I am going to explain, please be concentrated. See guys, if I want to put cursor on this place. So guys, debug as Java application. Guys, see, if you want to debug your code, how the code is going to flow internally, that time we need to what? Run as your program as a debug as Java application. Correct? Okay. Guys, you can see. Already I kept one breakpoint on line number 13. First, I need to pass the input. I am going to pass get 3. Okay. Then get cursor will come this place. The cursor will come this place get. Okay. After passing your respective input. Okay. What number we are going to find the factorial. See guys, after coming here guys, you can see. So as of now number is 3 because you have entered number as a 3. You entered if you're going to find the factorial of 3. Right guys, you can see here 3. After that you can go next, right? See, so this place guy result as a 6, but the how it's 6 guy, I will explain this thing, don't worry. Okay, so guys, see, once you're going to go inside this Don't worry guys, I will put the cursor, remove the cursor here, I put cursor guys this place, okay, or guys this place, then come to guys one more time. I need to run the application. There guys, Java application, enter 3. Now cursor that came here. See, now cursor directly came here. But you can see as of now you can't see result anything, right? Because I have given earlier time the breakpoint in line number 13. That's why you got the result this thing. Okay, this time I am giving the breakpoint on line number 19. So you can see our end is get 3. Yes or no? Our end value is 3. So guys, now I am going to see this condition satisfied or not. Definitely guys, this condition not satisfied because n is 3. I am writing condition n equal to 1. 3 is not equal to 1. So guys, you can see here. See guys, directly it came into our what else part. Yes or no guys? This condition comes directly into else part. Why? Because this condition doesn't satisfy. Yes or no? If this condition is not satisfying, that's why guys the control will come into our else part. And you guys, you can see. So this time what and what this will return guys. See guys, this next time guys, now you can see what will n equal to guys 2. Yes or no? So it will check it one by one. Okay, because this time this n 2 because already I have -1. This method once it will call guys, it will see already I mentioned guys this thing which done. So now this n will get 2. Earlier value was 3. It was checked. That's why it came into our else part. So it's seen what. So this is not the satisfy condition, and it will when it came into our else part, then it's seen what. So this the method expect n minus 1. That's why it minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Again, this will not come into our if part. Why? Because 2 is not equal to 1. Okay, you can see. Okay, I have told now. So this time again it will come in our else part. Right, guys, you can see this time what should be the value of n. Okay, this time you can see value of n equal to 1. Why guys? Because 2 minus 1 1. Right. So guys, this time this will return this place only. It will not come this part guys because the condition is satisfying. 1 equal to 1. If 1 equal to 1, then directly it will return the value guys. You can see here. See guys, it came now. It didn't came in else part. So guys, directly it returned. It call guys. Then it came guys which part? Visual part. And guys, you can see once I'm going to go next line, then you can see the result is 6. So guys, what you understood? It's always this rule only. Whatever number we are going to pass, it will check. If is equal to 1, return that is place. It is not equal to 1, then it will go in the else part. It will calculate the things, then it will give the result to us. Where we are going to call this get factorial method. Then guys, we can see the result will be guys 6. Yes or no guys? This time we are going to print the result. So guys, factorial of given number is 6. Guys, this is complete explanation. This is complete explanation with dry run as well as debug. So how we are going to find the factorial of any given number with debug and dry run. So I hope guys, after seeing this video, you should not have any confusion about recursion and recursive method. How recursive method is work internally. How the logic is implemented internally. Right guys? And recursion guys, technology, so not technique. Recursion technique is completely based on a stack process. That is LIFO, last in first out. Whatever the last method will be called, recursive method will call, that will give result first. Then it will go consecutively guys. So guys, that's complete the thing about what recursion and how we're going to find the factorial what with any given number with the help of recursion. If you guys concentrate entire video, definitely I hope you should not have any confusion guys. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like the video guys, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, so I will bring such type of very important concept in front of you. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video.